Hi everyone, this is Maria and welcome back to The Grove. Today I will be showing you my workspace that tick all the boxes for an efficient, ergonomic, and comfortable working environment at home. Our home office is located upstairs. The current layout is not very efficient. The couch is sandwiched between the two desks, and there is little room for the office chair to move around. And even though there is enough storage, the place still looks cluttered. As you can see, the walls are bare, and the space just lacks personality. It is always a good idea to clean the space before you start your makeover. Start from the top and work your way down to the bottom. Instead of taking the furniture out of the room, I work section by section. I enlisted my son's help to move the furniture around. I then cleaned the next section. I use a homemade disinfectant to wipe down the surfaces. And then I start the process of setting up the workspace. And now it's time to reveal the new and improved workspace. I really love how this space turned out, and now I will walk you through the details of this space. Let's talk about furnitures. Most of my furnitures in this space are from IKEA, but I bought them from Facebook Market for half the price, but in excellent condition. The desk. I like this desk because it has metal frames that supports the table and prevents it from sagging in the middle. It comes with 2 drawers that can accommodate all your working from home essentials. I opted for a sleek profile office chair that doesn't take up too much space. This chair has an adjustable height that can give you an optimal and comfortable sitting position. We also have the floor mat for carpets to allow for our chairs to glide through easily. This couch is very comfortable for reading books and revising your schoolwork. Let's talk about storage. Less is more. Make sure that you declutter unnecessary items in your workspace. These wire baskets used to be in my closet, but now I repurpose them to organize our work and office supplies. I put this laminated desktop on top of the wire baskets for a cleaner and cohesive workspace. Let's talk about decors. To give warmth to the space, I framed my son's early artworks into these riba frames from IKEA. And because I couldn't yet find a suitable artwork to hang behind the sofa, I framed my scarf in this big IKEA riba frame. And to be able to tell time even if all our devices are turned off, we hang this analog clock. I placed this soft rug in the middle of the workspace to tie in all the furnitures. Plants are a really good decor element in your space. To make the couch more comfortable and cozy, we put in a couple of cushions and a throw. Let's talk about technology. I placed my work laptop on top of this wire shelf, which used to be in my pantry, and connect it to my HP 27-inch IPS monitor. This monitor has an ultra-thin design and supports full HD resolution. And to avoid wire clutter on my desk, I opted for a wireless keyboard and mouse combination from HP. For home use, we have this HP all-in-one desktop that comes with wireless keyboard and mouse. And then we have my son's school-issued laptop, which is an HP EliteBook. Scratch that, it's ProBook. For audio recording, we use this blue Snowball Ice USB microphone. That's a long name. For easy printing, we have the HP OfficeJet Pro 8020. It's a multifunction printer that can print, scan, copy, and fax your documents. It is wireless and allows for all of your devices to connect via HP Smart App, Google Print, or AirPrint. And that's it. I hope that you have learned some tips from this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time at the Grove.